if you have a chatbot of any kind, you can have the ad that says, here's the cool incentive item that you've been wanting because we demographically profiled you and we know you want this thing. And you go to it and it says, oh, super great that you came here. Is your email address stormy@net101.com? And you go, yes, because they're pulling that data out of Facebook. Is your telephone number blah, blah, blah? If you've opened that up to the public, you can see it. If not, then it will ask the question, what is your telephone number? What is your real name? That's coming from Facebook, because we all know that a lot of people sign up for mailing lists with fake email addresses and fake names.
Yeah.
And now here's your incentive item. Thank you so much. And you have real data on a real back end. You know what offer was given to that particular person because you can pass that information through the bot to the database.